In this video, I'm going to quickly address some design changes to the fuel lift pump for a 98 to 2002 Dodge Ram pickup equipped with a 24-valve Cummins engine. So this looks very similar to what originally came on the truck. And that's what a lot of technicians are going to be calling the store looking to replace. Cummins made some design changes and moved in the tank for a while. And then as those trucks are now over 25 years old, it's difficult to access that. So there is a new and improved updated design lift pump, which goes in place of the one on the side of the block. Now this is on the driver's side of the engine block. And so if we look here, this is a horizontal design. It's going to mount in the same places. I myself personally have actually installed this on several vehicles to validate the design. We can see on the other one, there's an inlet and outlet. There's banjo fittings there. And so what the technician is going to have to do is remove from the inlet side. There's a short little line there. They can unclip it. Now, by rotating that plastic line, it will clip right onto this inlet one. And then the outlet side is going to bolt up exactly the same. So they'll use this banjo fitting here, and the fuel is going to go over to the high pressure VP44 injection pump. Hopefully now you have a little bit of a better understanding of the design change and can validate that yes, this definitely does work in those applications for a lift pump for the older Cummins 24-valve engines.